My name is Kostya Kuzmin and I'm a registered migration agent based in Adelaide and working all over Australia and all over the world. 186 visa. We have a lot of additional requests coming from the department about this one. So if you're planning to launch this visa, what are the things that the department is certainly going to ask your employer to provide? They're going to ask you to prove that the application, the nomination is genuine, that the role is genuine. And as part of that, you will first of all be asked about the nature of the employer's business. So what's the nature of the business and what does the business do? The second question that the department will ask, so is your hire in that business consistent? Does that business actually need the role? Does that business need the nominated occupation that they're putting you in? The third important question they're going to ask, so what are your financial records, your tax return, your financial statements, that is profit and loss and balance sheet that support the hire, also business activity statements. What are they? How do they support that the business can afford one more person? The fourth, they're going to ask you, well, where are you going to work and what does your office look like? And they actually want to see the photographs. The fifth, they want to ask whether the position has been created especially for you or it existed before and maybe someone was made redundant and you're taking their role. The sixth is, does the business have a business plan? Or if not, does it at least have a marketing plan or a financial plan? Can you make any forecasts? And the seventh and final, the business would need to explain the choice of nominee. That is, why are you the applicant, the very best choice and the very best person to work in that business? So these are the 7 things you can expect that your employer will be asked about their 186 nomination. And remember, if the nomination is not approved, the application for the visa is not going to be approved either. So that's the square one. The nomination is the square one. It's important that you plan and are able to answer these questions before you start the process, not after you start it. And of course, if you require proper migration planning advice, you can always talk to me, or your employer can always talk to me. We'll be happy to help you guys. Thank you, and hopefully see you soon.